Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 9 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then, you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 9 maths, and there you can find a chapter that is named geometry. So, you're already working on the chapter. So, here is the list of the lessons we're going to cover today. The lesson names are similar triangles and indirect measurements, area between two shapes, volume and surface area of similar solids, and then similar solids. Got it? So these are the topics we are going to cover today. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points and examples as well. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the first lesson, that is similar triangles and indirect measurements. Let me write down the lesson name, then we'll start. Similar triangles and indirect measurements. Okay, let's start with the lesson. Okay, so I'm on the topic similar triangles and indirect measurement. You can find the lesson on grade 9 maths. Chapter name is geometry, and the lesson name is similar triangles and indirect measurements. Got it? Okay, find Q. Write your answer as a whole number or decimal. Do not round. Got it? We have to find the value of the Q. Okay, so you are given with the triangle that is you have here you have Q, M, I, J, K, L. Okay, this is J, this is K, this is L, this is 3 meter, this is 3 meter, mm, and this is 4 meter. Got it? Okay, let's just draw two triangles, the greater one and the smaller one. This is one is the greater one, M, J, and L. Here is the Q in the greater triangle, and this one is 3 plus 3. The length of MJ is 6 meter. Got it? Let's just draw the smaller triangle. The smaller triangle is J, I, and K. This is 3M and this is 4M. Okay. Okay, let's just form the proportion. Let's just solve them like the similar triangles. Got it? So let's just form the proportion for the longer sides. LM, it would be Q divided by 4. This is Q and this is 4. And that equals 6M divided by 3M. Got it? Because 6M is the side of the greater triangle and 3M for the smaller one. So just let's just solve this equation for Q. Q equals 6 times 4 divided by 3. 6 times 4 is 24, and 24 divided by 3 equals 3 times what number is 24? 3 times 8 is 24. It would be 8 meters. Got it? So that means the length of the Q is 8 meters. Got it? This way you can solve the complex figures by converting them into the smaller two triangles. Got it? Okay, let's just solve this one. Find C. You have two of the triangles. Let's just divide them into two triangles. I'm going to divide them from here in the two. Okay, you have M, I, and J. Let me see, here we have shapes. I'm going to insert the shape from here. Shapes, triangle. Okay, that's the bigger one, and then the smaller one. Got it? Okay, so the bigger one has the name MINJ. This is M, this is I, and this is J. The measurements of MI is 10 feet, and here you have C. Got it? And measurements is small. The name of the smaller one is L, K, and J. Okay, they are L, K, and J. Okay, so you are given with the LK is 5 feet. LK is 5 feet, and LJ is 5 feet. Okay, JI. Okay, you have to find the value of the C. Got it? Okay, when you flip the triangle, the above one, the greater triangle, C would be here. This is I, because it's the upside down in the figure. So when you flip the triangle, it will be like this: J, I, and M. Got it? Okay. Now let's just find the ratios. So the longer it would be C divided by this is similar to this side. It would be C divided by 5. And this is similar to this one. It would be 10 divided by 5. Got it? Solve this proportion for C. It would be 10 times 5 divided by 5. So 5 and 5 got cancelled. That means the length of side C is 10 feet. Got it? Okay, I'm going to start with the test of the topic. If you have any problem with the question, please write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. Got it? Okay, that's the same one we just did. Just make two triangles, the greater one and the smaller one. Let me just make two of the triangles. Got it? It is not the right angle triangle. Okay, let me draw N to O, the greater one. I'm going to draw two triangles. N, Q, O. NOQ, 6 meter and 4 plus 4. N, here is O and here is Q. N, O and Q. Okay, so here is the NO is 6 meters and NQ is 4 meter plus 4 meters, 6 meters, and it would be 8 meter. Got it? Because the length of the NQ is 8 meter, 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay, let me just draw the smaller one. MQP. It would be MQ and P. Okay, MQ is 4 meters. PM is C. You have to actually find the value of the C. Got it? Let's just form the proportion between the, here you have 6 and here you have C. It would be 6 meters divided by C. Then you have 8 meters divided by 4. Got it? Let's just solve this proportion. Just do cross multiplication. It would be 6 times 4 and 8 times C. 6 times 4 is 24. Just divide both sides by 8. It would be 8 times 3 is 24. It would be 3 meter. That means the missing side length, this one is 3 meters. Got it? You have to solve them like you do for the similar triangles. Got it? It would be 3 meters. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is, let me just draw two of the figures. Got it? Please write the question if you have any. Otherwise, if you know the answers, please write the answer in the chat box. Please communicate with me using the live chat button. Got it? Let me draw it to two similar one. NPO. It would be NPO. NP is D. When you flip the greater triangle, it would be like this. O N N P. It would be it would be O N N P. So NP is D and 4. It is D and it is 4 yards. Okay, the smaller one is RQP. RQP. PQ is 2 and RQ is 2. You have to find the value of D. Got it? They are the similar sides. D is similar to this one. Got it? Just form a proportion. It would be D divided by 2. And here you have 4. So it would be 4 divided by 2. Just to solve this equation for D, it would be 4 times 2 over 2. 2 and 2 cancel out each other. It would be 4. That means the missing side D equals 4. Got it? Okay, let's just move on to that. Please make you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Got it? So let's start with the next topic. Okay, the next topic is um, area between two shapes. So let's start with a new topic, that is area between two shapes. Got it? Okay, so area between two shapes. Let's start with the, okay, what is the area of the shaded region? You are given two of the triangles, the inside one and the outside one. So you can find the, basically you have to find the area of the shaded one. Got it? So how can you solve? You have to find the area of both of the triangles. You can subtract the area of the smaller triangle out of the greater one. This way you can find the area of the shaded region. Got it? Let me just draw the greater triangle. It would be 24 and 32, then 15 and 21. This one is 15 and 21. Got it? This area is the shaded one. You have to actually find the area of the shaded region. Got it? Find the area of the smaller triangle and the area of the greater one. When you subtract the area of the greater triangle out of the smaller one, then you'll area of the smaller triangle out of the greater one, you'll get the area of the shaded region. Got it? We know that the area of triangle is half times base times height. So let's start with the smaller one. Half times base times height. Area of smaller triangle. Got it? It would be 1 by 2 times height is 21 and base is 15. Got it? Let's just do 15 times 21. 15 times 21 is 315 and 315 divided by 2 is 315 divided by 2. It is 157.5. Got it? Let's just find the area of the larger triangle. It would be Half times 24 times 32. So 24 times 32 is 768. Just divided by 2, it would be 384. That means the area of the greater triangle is 384. Got it? Just subtract the area of the smaller one out of the larger one. Area of larger, subtract the area of smaller one, you will get the area of the shaded region. Got it? So it would be larger one is 384 minus 157.5, and you will get your answer. It would be 384 minus 157.5. It would be 226.5. You don't need to round off the answers. Got it? Got it, everyone? Please write the question if you have any. Yes, it is 226.5. Let's just start with the test questions. It isn't the same we just did. Yes, it is. It's the 226.5. It has the 2432. Yes, it is exactly the same we just did on the tutorial. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is both the circles have same center. What is the area of the shaded region? Okay, so you have to do the same. You need to find the area of both the circles. So greater one and the smaller one, and this way you will get the subtract the both the areas, you will get the area of the shaded region. Got it? Area of the circle is pi r square, isn't it? Yes. So let's start with finding the area of the greater circle. Let me just draw the both the circles. Okay, that is the greater one, and then that would be the smaller one. Got it? Okay, the radius of the smaller one is 18 miles from here to here. It would be 18. Got it? Radius. Okay, and then from distance from this point to this point is 18. That means the area of the greater circle from this one to have the same center. Got it? For the larger one, it would be 36, isn't it? Let's start with finding the area of the smaller circle first. Got it? It would be the area of smaller circle. So area of the smaller circle must be pi r square. Got it? So the radius for the smaller one is 18. Got it? So it would be 3.14. R is 18, so it would be 18 square. Got it? So it would be 3.14. Sorry, 18 times 18 square is 324. 324 times 3.14, it is 1017.36. Got it? Then you have to find the area of the larger circle. So let's suppose this is the larger circle. The radius for the larger circle is from here to here. It would be 18 plus 18 equals 36. Got it? So the radius of the larger circle is 36. So replace the variables with the value. It would be 36 square. So 36 square is 1296, and 1296 point multiplied by 3.14 is 4069.44. So the area of the shaded region is then area of the larger circle, subtract the area of the smaller one. Got it? Just do 4096.44 subtract 1017.36. So it would be 3079.08. Got it? It would be 3079.08. Got it, everyone? If you have any question, please write the question in the chat box. I will answer all your questions. Got it? it would be 3085. Got it? Because I got the answer 3079. So it is around 3085.65. Got it? So the correct option is 3085. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. So whenever you have to, 3052 pi r square. So it would be 1017.36. Yes. Then the area of the larger one is 4069.44. Yes. Then you have subtracted the value. Let me just check how it is. 4096. Oh, it would be 4069, not it would be 40. Yes, it is 4069. Sorry, I subtracted from 4069 subtract 10. Yes, the answer is 3052. Got it? So let's just move on to the. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Whenever you have to find the shapes like this, like the one of the outer one, and you have the shape that is inside one, what you have to do, find the areas for both the shape, the larger one and the smaller one, because the smaller one is inside the shape. So subtract the area of the smaller one, you will get the area of the shaded region. Got it? So if you need, let me just move on to the new topic. So if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is volume and the surface area of similar solids. The next lesson is volume and the surface area of the similar solids. Let me just write down the name of the lesson. Volume and surface area of similar solids. Okay, let's start with the lesson. Okay, let's start with the test questions so that we can do practice questions. Okay, find the figures below are similar. What is the surface area of the smaller pyramid? You are given with two of the pyramids, and you have to find the surface. You are given this with the surface area of the larger pyramid. You have to find the surface area of the smaller one. Got it? Let's just start with the lesson with the question. Okay, let me do it on board. Okay. Okay, the height of the smaller one is 3 feet, and you have to find the height of the smaller one is 3 feet, and you have to find the surface area of the smaller one. You can say the height of the figure one. And the second one is 7 feet, and it would be 49. 7 feet, and it would be 49. So you have to find the surface area of the smaller pyramid. Got it? So you have to just form the proportion height. You have to, whenever you have to find the surface area, you have to square the ratios of the corresponding dimensions. Got it? So the heights, their heights are corresponding. Just divide 3 feet divided by 7 feet, and you have to square both the uh, ratios. It would be 3 times 3 is 9, and 7 times 7 is 49. Got it? Now you can, that if you have to form the proportion, it would be S1 divided by S2 and 9 divided by 49. And then you have the value of S2, just replace the value. So it would be S1 equal S1 divided by 49, because S2 has the value 49. So it would be 9 over 49. Got it? Just do cross multiplication. It would be S1 equals 9 times 49 over 49. Got it? So 49 and 49 cancel out with each other, and you are left with S1 equals 9. Got it? So the value, so the surface area of the smaller uh, triangular pyramid is 9. Got it? S- It would be 9. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is the triangular prism. Find the figures below are similar. What is the volume of the larger triangular prism? You have to find the you have to find the volume of the larger triangular prism. Got it? So they have the just the length of the side is, in the smaller one is S1 equals 1 millimeter, and the volume of the figure one is 1 millimeter cube. Okay, so for the side 2 it is, for the second it would be 2 mm, and you have to find the volume. Okay, whenever you have to calculate the volumes, you are working on the volumes, you have to cube the length of the sides. Got it? It would be S1 side 1 divided by side 2. You have to calculate the cube. Side 1 is 1 and side 2 is, you have to 2. You just find the cube of the sides. It would be 1 and 2 cube is 8. Now just form the proportion 1 divided by 8, and that equals V1 divided by V2. So you are given V1, V1 is 1, and you have to find the value of V2. Got it? Just do cross multiplication, 1 times V2 and 1 times 8. So V2 equals 8 millimeter cube. Got it? So the correct option is 8. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? So the correct option is 8 cubic millimeter. Okay, the next one is um, the figures below are similar. Find the surface area of the smaller rectangular prism. Okay, and the length is 2 meter for the smaller one. Got it? And for the greater one, it would be 225 meter square, and the length you are given is 5 meter. Got it? So just whenever you have to calculate the surface area, you have to square the length of the sides you are given. Got it? Just do L1 divided by L2 and calculate the squares. It would be 2 divided by 5, and their squares are 4 divided by 25. Now just form a proportion between the corresponding sides and the corresponding surface areas. It would be S1 divided by S2. So 4 divided by 25, you have to find the S1, and S2 is 225. Just do cross multiplication. It would be 4 times 225 divided by 25. Got it? Just solve it. Just do multiplication. Wait, let me do 225 times 4. It would be 900. 900 divided by 25 is 36. Got it? That means the surface area of the smaller figure is 36 meter square meters. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. The next topic is similar solids. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is similar solids. Okay, I'm on the lesson similar solids. Let's start with the similar solids. Okay, let's just start with the uh, test questions from the topic similar solids. Let's start with the test so that you can do practice questions because, okay, let's just start with the test of the lesson similar solids. Okay, the figures below are similar. What is value of Z? Got it? So you are given with the length of the, yes, the length of the solids cone, actually it is. Got it? The length of the cone. For the smaller one, the length is, okay, the length of the larger cone is 4 yards. Length of the larger cone, it would be 4 yards. And the radius, actually that is Z, you can say. You have to find the Z for the larger one. For the smaller one, it would be 2 yards, and you are given with the Z that is 1 yard. So they are actually the similar figures. So you have to solve them. You have to find the two pairs of the corresponding lengths. Got it? So it would be then 4 divided by 2 and Z divided by 1. Got it? Just solve the value for the, just solve the proportion for the Z. Got it? It would be 4 times 1 over 2 equals Z. 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. That means the value of the Z is 2. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the, okay, you have to solve the similar solids like you already done with the similar triangles and rectangles. Just form the proportion of the two of the lengths. Got it? Okay, let's see, the next one is the cylinders. Got it? You have to find the length of the sides. So it would be 4 meter and 10 meter. The radius is, for the larger one is 4 meter, and the side length of the larger one is 10 centimeters. For the smaller one, the radius of the smaller one is 2 centimeter, and you have to find the Z. Got it? The radius, the radius of the larger one is 4 meter, and Z you have to find. The radius of the smaller one is 2 centimeter, and Z you have to find. Got it? Just form the proportion between the, this is 10 meter. You're given with the smaller, larger one, it would be 10 centimeter. Okay, just form the proportion of the given size. It would be 4 meter divided by 4 centimeter divided by 2 centimeter. It would be 10 centimeter divided by Z. So it would be Z 10 times 2 divided by 4. 10 times 2 is 20, and 20 divided by 4 is 5 centimeter. Got it? That means the length of the missing side is 5 centimeter. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, just find make a proportion of the similar sides. It would be 8 over 6 and 4 over y. It would be, because the similar sides have the length 8 and 6, and 4 over y. So solve this equation for y. It would be y is 4 times 6 divided by 6. 4 times 8 divided 8 times 4 is no 6 times 4 divided by it would be 6 times 4. It would be 24. You have to divide it by 4. 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So the missing length is 3. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, just form the proportion of the missing side. It will be 2 over 1 and t over 2. The similar sides are have the lengths 2 over 1, 2 centimeter divided by 1 centimeter. Then you have t divided by 2. T divided. Okay, just solve this equation for t. It would be 2 times 2 over 1. 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 over 1 is 4. Got it? It would be then 4. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, it would be 8 over 4 and p over t. 8 over 4 and p over 3. So when you solve it for p, it would be 8 times 3 divided by 4. 8 times 3 is 24 and 24 divided by 4 is 6. Got it? So that means the missing side is 6. Got it? Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, for the next one, it would be the similar sides are 8 over 6 and 4 over 8 over 6 and 4 over a. 8 over 6 and 4 over. Just do cross multiplication. It would be then a equals 4 times 6 divided by 8. 4 times 6 is 24 and 24 divided by 8 is 3. Got it? It would be 3. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we have covered 3 of the topics today from 4 of the topics today from the chapter geometry. It would be the similar triangles and indirect measurements. Then we have started area between the two shapes. Then we have done volume and surfaces of the similar area and then similar solids. And then we have done with the lesson similar solids. Got it? Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the topics we did today. So if you need more help with any of the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you guys in the next session. Thank you, everyone. Bye.